Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Awei T28. In today's video we will show you what we have from these devices, what option do they support, and do they support all the phones, and we will try all the options that we have in the user manual, and we will see if these earbuds are worth to buy or not. So let's go ahead immediately and see what we got. Let's begin immediately. As you can see, we have the package in front of us. Very good package. It feels solid. We have here a few options in front of us. More touch, battery, type of battery, the IP74 level of waterproof, and we have 500 mAh battery, and in the back also we have a few options and things in different languages so everyone could understand it. Let's open up. As you can see, the package itself, all the things are wrapped up for protection, which I personally am fan of this type of package. It's very secure and all your things looks much fancier than they are. As you can see, this is a very small and simple cable, but with this package it looks pretty good. We don't have too much difference from the Awei T15 that we unboxed before. Only the shape of the case is different. You can see it opens up in a side, not backwards, and also these earphones doesn't have earpieces from rubber. These are like the iPhone earbuds. You can see the user manual underneath is Chinese and English, so both of these languages who talks could understand it. So this is what we have in the package of the T28, and this is how they will look like. Let's put them on and try to connect them, see how they will sound. We have here first the Android. Let's power on the Bluetooth and go to pair new device, see if our device will find them, and very fast the Awei T28 appears at the top of the new devices. Press pair and you can see now they are pairing with each other. A few seconds, it is only what it takes. You can see here all the options that we have from these earbuds. Let's go straight to the YouTube and start a music and see how they will sound and test the options as well. We said in the beginning that we will test the options. Let's power on let's raise the volume of the sound. You can see touch sensitivity, as I said before, touch control. One press to pause and play the video, double tap to play the next song, and press and hold to raise the volume with the right earbuds. With the left one is pretty much the same. One tap to pause or play the video, double tap to play the previous song, and press and hold to lower the volume. These are a few options that we have in the T28, very similar, or to say the same as in the T15. Double tap, as you can see, it opens up the Google Assist or Siri, whatever device you are using, and the microphones are very clear. You can talk and actually hear what you are saying to that person. And you can see the results are here, that we can use the microphone and it will know what you're saying. Here at the iOS, you can see we have to turn on the Bluetooth like always. We have the before Awei T15 that we connected. Now it's time for the T28, where we can find add the new device. And these now are connected, which is very good, very fast way to connect them. Let's go again straight to the YouTube and test with the same song. All the options that we tested before. Press and hold to raise the volume and to skip the songs like we did before. One tap to pause and play that song or video, whatever you are using or watching. And same goes with the left one, like we saw before in Android. Everything works perfectly. One tap to pause, double tap to play the previous song, and press and hold to lower the volume, 3 taps to open up Siri like we saw with Google Assist in Android. So to talk about the sound that these earbuds are playing is very good, very clear. I personally prefer the T15s because they have the rubber piece to stick better in your ear, but for those who prefer this type of earbuds, these are pretty good, cheap for their performance, and you can see you can actually connect them with your computer and watch whatever you watch in your PC. You can actually use a few options as well. We saw in the T15 that we can't use the double tap for assist, the double tap for changing the songs, or triple tap to assist, but we can actually use the play and pause, and also the volume as well. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.